Berries like blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are known for their vibrant colors and delicious flavors. They also offer a wide range of health benefits due to their rich nutrient content. Here are some of the potential health benefits of these berries. 1. Antioxidant power. Berries are rich in antioxidants, such as vitamin C, vitamin E, and various types of phytochemicals like anthocyanins and flavonoids. These antioxidants help protect cells from oxidative stress and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. 2. Heart health. The high levels of anthocyanins and flavonoids in berries are linked to cardiovascular benefits. They may help improve blood vessel function, reduce inflammation, and lower blood pressure, ultimately promoting heart health. 3. Brain health. Berries contain compounds that have been associated with improved cognitive function. These compounds may help protect brain cells from oxidative damage and reduce the risk of cognitive decline as you age. 4. Diabetes management. Berries have a relatively low glycemic index and are rich in fiber, which can help regulate blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity, making them suitable for people with diabetes. 5. Digestive health. Berries are high in dietary fiber, which aids digestion, supports regular bowel movements, and promotes a healthy gut microbiome. 6. Weight management. Berries are low in calories and high in fiber, which can help you feel fuller for longer and reduce overall calorie intake, supporting weight management efforts. 7. Skin health. The antioxidants and vitamins in berries contribute to healthy skin by protecting against UV damage, reducing signs of aging, and promoting a radiant complexion. 8. Immune support. The vitamin C content in berries, particularly strawberries, can boost the immune system and help the body fight off infections. 9. Cancer prevention. The antioxidants and phytochemicals in berries have been studied for their potential role in reducing the risk of certain types of cancers due to their ability to neutralize free radicals and inhibit the growth of cancer cells. 10. Eye health. The antioxidants found in berries, such as lutein and zeaxanthin, are beneficial for eye health and may reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration. 11. Anti-inflammatory effects. Berries contain compounds that have anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce inflammation in the body and lower the risk of chronic diseases related to inflammation. 12. Bone health. The vitamin K and other minerals present in berries may contribute to maintaining bone health and reducing the risk of osteoporosis. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more upcoming videos.